guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are back. I'm with Ben. Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
And Pia is napping in the back. We woke up quite early this morning, just had to sort some birthday prep out for Ben, but we've come out for some lunch with Emily and Brad. We're gonna go to Wagamama's. It's gonna be a nice day. Got some fun things planned. I'm excited, and of course I thought I'd pick up the camera and bring you guys along over the next few days. I'm now in Wagamama's. I think I'm gonna get what I always get, which is a yakisoba, no prawns with chicken, and yeah, what are you gonna get?
Katsu curry.
Yeah, standard.
Yeah.
Are you getting extra chicken or
Yeah.
You are? You getting any starters?
Yeah.
What?
The Goyos.
The goes. What about Emily? What are you getting?
I'm getting a pad thai, just plain and simple.
Yeah. No, you're not.
Changing a thing.
Emily's fussy like me.
I feel like I've done my order on your vlogs before.
Probably. You change a few things, don't you?
Literally everything. That's mine, but
Oh,
thank you.
what are you getting, Pia?
Said everything. Everything on the menu.
Yeah.
I decided chopsticks because I like them.
Have you ever done that before?
Pia.
Hey, that's mine.
Beefy.
It's so good.
I love this little outfit. We got this when we was with you last
Zara,
time.
I think.
But she had a little explosion. This is from Zara.
That was an understatement. A little.
Yeah, it was kind of a
Explosion.
it was kind
Why you
of
shop,
It
please?
was a
a
lot.
hot mess.
It's cute though, isn't it?
But yeah, no, I like it. They have like a different version to this in a lighter colour as well that I want to get. I think Mila's got that one. It's really nice.
Do we like have underneath?
Oh yeah, I need to show you that when we get back. Emily, she's so sweet. She picked Pia up some new little items from Next, isn't it? Yeah, so cute. We'll show you, but she's got one of them on underneath, like this little floral bodysuit. Did you say thank you, Pia?
You didn't actually.
That's not very nice, Pia.
She did say thanks. We had lots of hugs, lots of kisses, lots of Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips.
And I'm done. Oh my god, this has taken me so long. I have popped some balloons up and I've done the theme of 30 presents for your 30th. This took me so long to do, but I'm so happy that I finally managed to finish it off for him. I'm so excited to see his reaction. I'm so out of breath because I've been running up downstairs. How amazing is this cake? It says, "Happy birthday, Daddy." Oh my god, I'm so excited. He's gonna love it. I think we should go and call him down. I might get Pia, sit her here with a balloon. I think that would be the cutest thing, but I don't think she'll sit for long, so we'll see what we can do. Stay there. Stay there. Happy.
Thank you.
How cute is P?
You're very cute.
Hello. You excited?
Yeah, I think so. I've never had this many presents.
I don't think this has taken me so long.
How long have you been doing it for?
For a few weeks, but it's been hard, I must say. But are you excited?
I am.
So I thought I want to do it like kind of a little bit like as a kind of like a game as well. So I want you to do like deal or no deal, like where you pick one in particular where you just think, I don't know, it'll be your favourite, and then open that one last. So what number do you want to save till last? Just pick a number.
Between 1 and 30.
Yeah.
Let's do 5. Let's do 5. Number 5.
5 is going to be your box, yeah?
It's gonna be what?
Your box.
Yes.
Okay, I'll find number 5.
Oh.
Well, if we get to number 5, you just don't open it, yeah?
Okay. So.
Okay.
Right. What number are we starting from?
Whatever you want. So, guys, I'm going to set you up on a little bit of a time lapse. Obviously, you can see some of them.
So what shall I start with?
Whatever you want, babe. It's whatever. How cute is your cake? Did you little mini cake? It says happy birthday, Daddy.
How'd you get that?
I got it sent this morning. She came and delivered it this morning.
Oh, is that what?
I'm surprised you didn't know. That's what it was.
No.
But yeah, so enjoy.
Should I do Pia's card first?
Yeah, go for it.
Lure? I mean, you wrote it, so... Oh, thank you, PP.
Here. Here, look, Daddy's got your present. It's a birthday cake.
Oh, that's really cute.
Look, Daddy's opening your present. Ah! Yeah, Daddy's opening your present. Yeah.
You're not allowed to blow this one, it's far along.
That's Daddy's one.
You leave that low.
Look it up. Actually a few days later, and yeah, we had a really nice couple of days. We kind of did Ben's birthday weekend over like 3 days, and we had a really nice weekend. So yeah, that was a really nice time and we had great fun. So I wanted to pick up the camera again today because I knew I didn't actually film that much, so we thought we would pick up the camera today and film a little bit more. Now I wanted to show you some of the house changes because we have finished. I say finished, I don't think I'll ever feel like I'm finished because there's always going to be like areas where I feel like I'd want to add some finishing touches to. But I feel like we're kind of happy with how it's going, and I thought I would give you guys a quick overview of how everything is looking. So I feel like I should probably show you the bedroom because I'm in the bedroom now. It's pretty similar to what it was like in the other place that we was just before this one. Obviously, just because I've moved, I didn't really feel the need to then redecorate the whole bedroom and do things all different. But for now, I'm kind of happy with the way that it's looking. So I'll go stand near the door so you guys can get a little bit of an overview of everything that's in our bedroom. So this is the bedroom currently. So of course we still have our same bed. I absolutely love this bed. And then we have our bedside tables. I've added the boxes instead. They used to be white, but I've added these ones. I do actually get a lot of questions on where those boxes are from. They're actually from Primark and they were in the sale, and I'm pretty sure they're still in the sale and there's still some as well, especially if you're looking in the Norwich store. With that frame, if you watch my channel, you would have seen that I picked that up a few videos back in a Primark haul. I still haven't got round to actually putting a photo in that, but I just popped up there because I thought, right, that's where I'm going to put that, and I think it will look cute with a photo of either Pia in black and white or a picture of all three of us in black and white, and I feel like that would look really nice there. Didn't really have much on the windowsill, and then we have this area which I'm not sure what we're going to do with that just yet. And then we have our ensuite, and then we have these 3 drawers here. A nappy caddy up here as well, just because I find that when we're in the bedroom and if Pia's in here with us, she doesn't sleep with us by the way, just if we're in here, it's just, I like to just have them, and then I can take this downstairs with me as well. I like to just fill it up just so it's nice and easy, just with like some bits that I feel like I'll need and some wet wipes. So yeah, I go between the Pampers and Sainsbury's nappies, and then I use the wet wipes from Aldi, which I absolutely love. With our ensuite, we haven't really done that much to it. Literally, it's just kind of like a basic ensuite, haven't really done much. Just put these cute soap and cream from the White Company that I absolutely love, so kind of get that quite regularly and just pop that there. And then I just have 2 candles on the side. And then we just have like a little section where we can just put all of our stuff for the shower. So yeah, not too interesting, but I thought I would give that a little look for you guys. And then the next room is the bathroom, and this bathroom is definitely more kid friendly. This is obviously where we bath Pia, and so I like to have all of her stuff here. I definitely am stocked up on all stuff for Pia to have a nice bath and stuff. I actually got sent these by a company called Good Bubble. These are so nice and it makes such a good bubble bath. Maybe I'll show you later, because obviously when I put her in the bath I'll show you. These are really, really good, and I love obviously all of her bath toys and stuff, and obviously these are the stuff that we use for her hair and her body. And yeah, I got one of these from Primark just because I felt like she was quite restricted in that seat. As much as I love it, that's really good obviously when they can't really sit up without falling back on their own. Obviously she went through the stage where she was sitting up, but I was like, well, I need to be a bit cautious. But now I saw this in Primark and I thought that would be perfect to stick at the bottom of the bath, and then she can kind of just roam around, and she absolutely loves it. Obviously I'm just sat next to her watching, making sure she's okay, but she loves it. So yeah, I'm really happy with that purchase. And then here, of course, you would have seen in our other bathroom, just kind of all my essential bits. These are the stuff that I use daily on my face or once a week or stuff. Then this is my makeup stuff with like some stuff zipped inside, so it's like nice and neat. And you come to this section, that's just obviously just a few bits for the bathroom, and then I just have my body creams there. And then, well, that should really be in here. So obviously we have our toothbrushes. You'd think I'd put them in the ensuite, but I don't know. I kind of just wanted to put them in here. This is where I obviously kind of do my makeup and stuff, so I thought I would just bring them in here. I've just popped a nice little plant there. I kind of like the plant vibes. I feel like it looks really nice. And if you would have watched 2 videos back or so, we picked these up from B&M, and I absolutely love these, so we just keep refilling them, so I love that. And then the area there, I've just put all of our toilet stuff in there, and then our Pampers that I've had for a while now that I like. I just love the colour and the vibe of it. I just think it looks really clean and aesthetically pleasing. And then obviously this as well, which I picked up from Primark. Yeah, so I love it. We've changed Pia's room a little bit, which I'll show you in a second. This room is just kind of a hot mess. I wasn't really going to show you this just yet because this is still a work in progress, and this still needs to be built. It's basically one of them that I need to put all of my cubes in and make this area a really nice area as well. I've kind of left this last priority because obviously we don't really go in this room, so that's kind of the state that it's in at the moment. But I just thought I would show you just so you guys can see what's actually going on. So this is the update in that room. And then with Pia's room, we have changed it slightly around. I know it may look a little bit more cluttered, but I am soon going to be changing all of this and putting her pretty summer bits, because I feel like spring is kind of approaching soon, and I just kind of just want to put it all out there, just have it all neat and organised. And I actually need to go through all of Pia's clothes anyway, get rid of all the stuff that's obviously too small for her now, and either pack it away, or I'm not sure obviously what I'm going to be doing with that, just see, because a lot of stuff is obviously stained with food at the moment. So yeah, and then obviously her cot is still there. And then we have basically brought up the side of the sofa here. So I thought once she's had her bath, I can sit here with Pia and read her one of her books before she goes to bed. And I actually really like this corner. I actually think it's so nice. In the evening, it's actually so nice and calming. And I actually love Pia's room. I feel like it's the best room in the house. And I just love how kiddish it is and all of like her girly little bits. I just love it so much. I don't know if you've seen that. Ben stuck that on there. I don't even remember. It's been a while now. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with how the room is coming along. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I'll take you guys downstairs. The kitchen is pretty much the same, but obviously the living room has changed a little bit, and I will show you why. So let's go downstairs and I'll show you that. Okay, so going into the living room, Pia is having her nap, so I'll speak a little bit more quiet, but she's usually fine, so I don't think she'll wake up. But basically the change in here now is I've actually brought down my computer. Basically, it was really difficult for me to work upstairs when I know that Pia likes to be playing with her toys down here. So I thought, you know what, just so I can watch her at the same time. I thought I would bring my computer down here, which I'm happy about because now I can just, yeah, it's just so much easier for us. But yeah, there's Ben. But yeah, so I'm happy with how it is. Obviously we just have that there because it's just good for Pia to walk about in it when I'm in the kitchen, which I'm not going to show you the kitchen because the kitchen's a little bit of a mess because it's washing day. But yeah, so here's just her toys as well. And here's Pia. She's just napping. Bless her. And this little outfit that I love to wear. It's from H&M, it's so warm. These big little arms as well. So yes, my outfit of the day. Broken out a little bit, but we're about to put Pia in the bath. Pia absolutely loves bath time! This is bath time! She absolutely loves bath time. Don't you, Pia? Are you ready to go in the bath? Yay, bath time! It's so good. They kindly sent me some stuff over. It makes the bath so bubbly, like I really like it. Also been trying this out with Pia as well, which is a hair and body wash. And this is really good, but... Oh, that is so cute. Look in the camera. I know you can see her right there, but it just looks so cute.
Nice wig.
You look adorable.
You look like Teletubby.
I'm gonna...
Pia.
Hi! Hi, Pia! Pia!
And a beard.
Go punch his beard off.
So look, Pia.
You look funny! Are we done now? Time to get out now. Please don't cry. Pia loves bath time so much, but she hates getting out. Right, do you want to do the honours? Who's there? Say hi, everyone. So I just had the best bath ever. Yeah, I just had the best bath. Oh, you're so cute. There we go. Got a little, did you say there we go? It's like she said there we go. I got these new baby grows sent from a brand called Zipstar. I'd heard so many good things about them and they kindly gifted me some stuff for Pia. I saw Zoella talking about them actually in a vlog and then I received them and oh my god, they are the softest pyjamas ever. Oh, are you saying hello?
Here you come in.
Go on in.
Here you come in.
Go on in.
What's she saying?
Right, I'm gonna just have a little tidy up in here while... Oh, she's... Where do you think you're going, missus? Where do you think you're going?
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we